Hello, welcome to my channel, Bright Mathematical Solutions. Today we want to look at the question 4A, test 4A of the steps to quantitative reasoning. And the first thing, as I always say, is to understand the operation that goes on behind this example. Now, if we look at this particular example, we have 3, 5, 2, 8, 31 in between. 7, 1, 4, 12, and 55. Now, the operation that goes on here is 3 multiplied by 5. That gives us 15. 8 multiplied by 2. That gives us 16. When you add the 2 together, gives us 31. Let us see the second one. 7 multiplied by 1, that is 7. 4 multiplied by 12, that is 48. When you add the 2 together, that gives us 55. So now let's start to take this understanding to solve the 5 exercise that we were given. Now, 11 multiplied by 3, so we have 33. 9 multiplied by 5, that gives us 45. So if we add the 2 together, that gives us 78. So our answer here is B. 78 is the right answer. Let's look at the second one. We have to find this. Now, we know that when we multiply the 2 from this side and we add it to the multiplication of these 2 gives us this. So to now get this, what we do is 1 multiplied by 1, that is 1. Now, this is 2. So if we divide this 1 by 2, that gives us 2. So subtract this 2, subtract 2, 1 from this 2, that gives us 1. So our answer here is 1. So D is the right answer. And you can verify 1 multiplied by 1, 1. 1 multiplied by 1, 1. So when you add it together, it gives you 2. Let's look at the next one. 12 multiplied by 4, that gives us 48. Now, so we are going to subtract this 48 from this 990. Remember, it is the addition that produced this. So to get the alternate, we are going to subtract. That is 90 minus 48, and that gives us 52. No, that gives us 42. Sorry, that gives us 42. So 42 divided by 7, and that gives us 6. So our answer here is C, 6. So we divide by 7, and that gives us 6. Now to the next one. So 20 multiplied by 1 over 2. 20 multiplied by 1 over 2. That gives us 10. Now what we have here is 110. So 110 minus 10, that gives us 100. So divide 100 by 5. So that gives us 20. So our answer here is 20. Now, to the last one, 10 multiplied by 10, that is 100. We have 280 here, that is 280 minus 100, and that gives us 180. So divide 180 by 12, and that gives us 15. That gives us 15. So our final answer is 15. So thank you for watching, and please remember to subscribe to this channel. Until I come your way next time, please be good. Thank you very much.